Look guys, you can see massive work here behind. The Commissioner of Energy is also on ground to ensure say they do this work well. These are a new Lagos road just by a decade. The day now to make sure say this work go where the way support work. You know, because the government already give mandates, Operation Light Up Edo, so Edo must be lighted up and there is nothing anybody can do about it. And when light comes, darkness disappears. Operation No Light, No Light. And our commissioner are really on ground and he makes sure say, and I talk to our people.
We are here for supervision, monitoring and quality control, and to ensure that every work is done to standard, and to make sure that the people get value for the money. And time to time we do this because work in these houses go on day and night to ensure that there's a timely delivery of this project. And of course we also want to thank the public who have been very, very cooperative and protective of government property, which is a public property as public property.
Wow.
So please, if you see something, say something. Whatever we need to know, let us know. And of course, you have our hotlines. And like you see today, Igbo Channel Television is here to do a coverage, and every one of our team is here to make sure that work progress very effectively. I am functioning permanent secretary at Edo State Electricity Regulatory Commission. Agent Dr. Victor Barnes by name. Thank you so much.
1 minute, sir. We discover say most of our drivers they know they destroy the light. So what do we do about those guys?
Immediately you see something, say something. Once they destroy the light, inform the nearest police station, arrest them, and inform our offices. You know, so we have been education department, inform PUWOF, inform ESMA, inform our commission, even call police control room to inform them, so that they will replace damaged public property. It's a property, own it. We cannot watch our property being destroyed.
Thank you very much, sir. Well said. So guys, you can see, and the work is going on the way it should, and the special squad they grant to make sure say they monitor everything. We did for more Lagos Road now, Operation Light Up Edo, work is going on the way it should, and then our property we must maintain. So guys, and even the Oga don't give us permission, and those people they destroy our life, hand to the meet all of them, one after the other, hand to the meet all of them, because you know if you destroy the life, when you go scot-free, you drink, you know stay for your house, use your want to destroy what the government do. Yet, when I wear hate light, then God will punish you now, when I go share. So for me go the talk as it be. So guys, can she walk? See, no food for lazy man. I'm on now spirit is this work. You can see the team, they grand to make sure say they install the light well until they go on the way it should. Wow. Operation Light Up Edo, now the day for UGBOWO Lagos Road, and this light now they go main gate phase 1, then phase 2 will start from main gate to Olugu. So the government is doing a whole lot. Remember, Operation No Light, No Life.
The ambassador! The ambassador! The happy. This is our people.
Hey, make me see my brother. So guys, that's the fellow ambassador, we're on ground.
Yes.
I've been talking to our people.
Yes, we are on ground. Ambassador is working really hard to ensure we light up Edo State.
That's so beautiful. So guys, Operation Light Up Edo, and we will be part of the system. Yes, we just did for Lagos shop now, and the director there on ground to monitor them doing well. So guys, as we supposed to do, even the director, you know, they should have officer, they move now from the waka up and down.
What's going with the electricity to ensure that quality work is done.
Watch it.
Yeah, so guys, today for Lagos Show now, Operation Light Up Edo, and the Commissioner for Energy is on ground to make sure say everything go where the way it's supposed to go where, and the governor has given a mandate, and this light should be lighted up. And phase 1 they end from Mingate, then from Mingate to look at phase 2. So work is going on day and night. You know, say once light from darkness, it don't disappear. So guys, you know, say me, I like good things. I love good things. Yeah, that is sitting here. That must have our football Lagos Show now. Operation Light Up Edo and the MD for energy in there around, and all of us there to monitor the work. And currently they are there opposite the Tekbin, and they install the light they go. Operation Light Up Edo, and they must hear what? Good. So they must hear what? They must see how I'm supposed to be.
I'm not able to fight.
Yeah, that is me, Damosa. You know, I love what I'm seeing, and even the commissioner there around, looking at the shadow of Ghana, they sleep, you know, they sleep, the panel they sleep, he's on ground 247. Sharp, by the time he's done, I'm going to say, nothing work well. No. So guys, special squad on ground to make sure say the thing they go where the way supposed to go where. It's not easy. And I'm very, very happy. Operation Light Up Edo has come. Operation No Light, No Life. The Operation No Light, No Life. Some people go say, nah, common life. Common life. You're not serious. If not common, go light up your studio. No say light, not common. So now the source of the light we appreciate, which is awesome. And I say something. So guys. So guys, thank you. We'll continue to play our part to ensure saying our people get the right information. We're just for ball Lagos right now, opposite Edegbe, the installation of the lights, like they go on. If you think say like this, you go big house, go wire and the relation to get light. So we thank God for the effort of the governor to ensure say light is everywhere. And the governor said before you come on over 200 kilometers of road, like one light up. So we can see that the government is doing a whole lot. So we also try to make sure that we protect our property. So guys, I say the view are not the video progress, so I make a good day great. Let me do after. So thank you. God bless you.